I was born with a prophetic gift. That is what people call me this year. I will tell you everything you need to know about yourself, about the problems and the solution. Where there is God, everything and anything is possible. Your happiness is my concern.
Have you ever feel that nothing is working against you? You feel that anytime you are close to getting anything, before you know that thing will just slip your hand. Have you always feel that you are walking around the cycle? It will look as if things are about to get better. Before you know, you see yourself where you find yourself before. Have you ever feel like you are one step ahead but two steps backward? This is we call it spiritual debris. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use alligator pepper and bitter cola to remove padlock instantly. You use alligator pepper and bitter cola to remove what? Bad luck instantly. So if you are the kind of person that money comes to your heart, before you know, once you spend shishi from that money, you will not even know what to do with that money. Or immediately money enter your heart, that's a different problem will be coming for you to solve. This is bad luck. I will call it for spiritual debris. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to use the spice of the spirit, which is alligator pepper. We call alligator pepper the spice of the spirit, to remove any form of bad luck that you have be facing. Okay, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of visiting my channel, do it to like, share and subscribe to my channel so that you will not miss other important videos from me. In this video, I teach powerful spiritual remedies that you really don't want to miss. You have to understand that alligator pepper is a warrior spirit. Now I'm going to teach you two methods to remove bad luck instantly. Number one method is using 7 seeds of alligator pepper. You heard me right. Now there's some mistake people make. Anytime you want to open alligator pepper, don't open it while you're looking at it. Take your two hands backward and open it at your back. Pitch it open, then bring it forward. Don't cut alligator pepper seed inside. You remove it from the seed. Remove the seed inside first. Put it on your palm like this. You get Abby. Then you declare on it. After put them on your palm, you declare. You put them on the back. You call your name. Then you put them in your mouth. As you are chewing the 7 seeds of alligator pepper, you will say, as this heat is burning my tongue, this is the fire that will burn away any garment of bad luck that the enemy have wear me. As this heat of this alligator pepper is burning, as I'm feeling this heat from this alligator pepper, that is how I am neutralizing every tongue that have caused me, everything that my ancestors have said, any contract that my ancestors have said in the past that is working against me. So as I'm feeling this heat on my tongue, I am neutralizing whatever the ancestors have done, speak that is working against me. Anybody have caused me, I'm neutralizing it. And as I'm feeling this heat on my tongue, that is how I am burning away any garment, any bad luck, any garment of bad luck that the enemy have wear me. Because when the enemy have put that garment of bad luck in you, you see all of a sudden people will just hate you for no reason. People, any little thing you do, people will just be mad at you for no reason. People will be mad at you for no reason. You are sleeping at night, you cannot even understand your dream. Sometimes you will not even remember your dreams. So these are what the enemy have done to you, which is a sign of bad luck. Money will come to your heart before you know fear. Something might be coming to you now at that minute. That thing will just flip your heart. So when you are done, as you are chewing that alligator pepper, and you are making these declarations, then as this you are feeling this heat, you are burning away that garment of bad luck in your life. As you are feeling this heat on your tongue, you are neutralizing every forces that any cause that anybody have placed in you, whatever your ancestors have done or said that is working against you, you neutralize it today. When you are done making that prayers, when you are done, as you are chewing, please don't swallow it. Don't allow the spirit to swallow. As you are chewing it, you are making that declaration. Then you go to like your waist bin. You go to your waist bin, like where you normally dump your waist bin. Okay, you go to your waist bin and spite it on your waist bin. You said, I always dispose the things I don't want here. So all that I've anything that is causing me bad luck, I don't want it. Anything that is causing me setback, I don't want it. Anything that is making me to have cobweb attack, I don't want it. Anything that is making money not to come to my hand, I don't want it. Anything that is making money to leave my hand, I don't want it. Anything that is causing me promise and fail, I don't want it. Anything that is causing me any form of bad luck, I don't want it. Then you spite it out on the waste bin. So as I'm depositing all the things I don't want here, that's how I have deposited all those things I said I don't want in my life. Then you spite it out there on the ground where you normally keep your waste bin, or you spite it on your waste bin, because later they will definitely go and dispose it away. You spice it. That's one method you can use to use alligator pepper to remove bad luck instantly. The second method you can use using alligator pepper is you get 4 seeds of alligator pepper. 4 represent the 4 cardinal points of the universe. Remember, as I've said, alligator pepper is a warrior spirit. He holds an energy. He has this warrior energy if used rightly. Because if not used rightly, reverse might be the case and it will not work for you. That is why I have actually made a video on my channel on 5 dangerous mistakes you are making while using alligator pepper. Check my channel. I will also drop the link on the comment section. Go and watch those mistakes so that alligator pepper can actually work for you rightly. Comment alligator pepper must work for me. Now, get 4 seeds of alligator pepper. Hold that 4 seeds of alligator pepper. You will say alligator pepper does not go on a shameful journey. Anything at all that the enemy have said to me from the east, west, north, and south, I am using this alligator pepper to remove it. Let it go back to the sender. Use that 4 seeds of alligator pepper to round your head anti-clockwise, not clockwise, anti-clockwise. Like if you are looking at the camera and since the camera is facing me, this will be anti-clockwise, right? This is the anti-clockwise. Several times. Then that 4 seeds of alligator pepper, go and throw it in a place where you know you will never cross. You can actually deposit on your waist bin, because once they throw the waist bin away, you know you are not ever going to cross it there. That is method 2. Now a bonus powerful method using alligator pepper and bitter cola as back to sender. Now this is what you are going to do. Get one alligator bitter cola. Then get 7 seeds of alligator pepper. You can use 7, you can use 4, because in the spiritual realm 7 seeds of alligator pepper represent completion, represent perfection. Get 4 or 7 seeds of alligator pepper. Pound it together with bitter cola. Pound it together with bitter cola. After you have pounded it together with bitter cola, you will speak on it. You will say, alligator pepper does not go on a fearful journey. This I'm going to do with alligator pepper. Alligator pepper will listen to me and it will work. Then pack them, keep them. That's if you want to do it in the night. But if you are doing it, parting it in the morning, or you can do it in the night, since you are going to do the ritual in the night before you go to bed. Now, everything you have powdered together now, that powder, at night, get your bathing water. Pour this powder inside your bathing water. You will pray. Anything that anybody have said to me, whatever it is that the enemy have said to me or done to me, anything at all the enemy have done to me that is working against me, both physical and spiritual, that is making me to have setback, that is making me to have promise and faith, that is making me not to remember my dream, that is making me to have much attack in while I'm sleeping. As I'm taking this back, I am taking everything back to the owner. I don't want it. Let the load go back to the owner. Then when you don't make it that prayers of cleansing, how you want your life to be, then you take your bath using your bare hand. You don't use rubber. And when you are taking this bath, you don't wear slippers. Don't wear slippers. Use your barefoot. Take your bath. As you are taking the bath, keep it back to sender. You take your bath. Once you take your bath, you are not to clean your body. Allow your body to dry naturally. And meanwhile, when you are going to do this, 24 hours to the time you are going to do this, please don't have sex. 3 days after you've done this, don't have sex with anybody or masturbate. It will rule the process. Do you get? Now, I must warn you. I must warn you when you are making use of alligator pepper. Please Don't ever use alligator pepper while you are your menstruation. It will weaken the energy of alligator pepper working for you. Don't ever use alligator pepper when you are angry. Don't use alligator pepper when you are angry. It will bring chaos. Don't use alligator pepper when you are confused, when you are not certain of what you want to do with it. Follow this rule and you see how things will work for you. I want you to do this today. Practice what I have done to you. Practice this I have just taught you. After 3 days, please come back to this video and give me a testimony, the difference, what you notice, even from your dreams. Africa, knowledge is power. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I pray this work for you. Where there is Zuzu, where there is God, everything and anything is possible. See you guys in the next video.